For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
The pandemic has indeed altered our lifestyles and sleeping patterns. Due to the pandemic, the way we live and the way we used to work has taken a new shape. Rigorous lockdown, work from home, job loss have become the new normal. At this juncture, it is hard to predict exactly when the pandemic will subside and communities will return to normalcy. Due to lockdown and restricted movement, there is an increase in physical inactivity and sedentary behavior. Experts believe that COVID-19 induced lockdown has the potential to accelerate the physical inactiveness among people. Due to this unhealthy lifestyle, people are facing a host of health issues. But fret not. We will tell you how you can stay fit and healthy while you're at home. The simple mantra to lose weight is to check your calories intake. One of the easiest ways to reduce weight is to keep a tab on the amount of calories you consume in a day. Include leafy vegetables, proteins, and wholesome food in your diet and avoid foods which are high in calories. It is a natural tendency to munch on something while we are sitting idle. The easiest and quickest thing to grab is processed food. Make a conscious effort to avoid ordering processed and packed food. After all, it only leads to obesity and accumulation of bad cholesterol. Heavy caffeine use has some adverse side effects. Studies have shown that it is safe to consume low to moderate amounts of caffeine. However, consuming too much coffee can lead to dehydration. It, in turn, can cause constipation, migraine, acidity, making it difficult for your body to shed kilos. You cannot lose weight when your body is not fit from inside. A healthy diet limits the risk of chronic illnesses and infectious diseases. Consume lots of whole grains, fruits, vegetables, lentils, nuts. Avoid fried foods, junk foods, carbonated drinks, processed foods, refined foods. Staying physically active during lockdown is indeed one of the toughest jobs. However, one must consciously make efforts to stay physically active even with restricted movement. Find a way to pull up yourself and do physical exercise. In addition to these things, one should also keep themselves hydrated to stay fresh all day. The outbreak has caused governments in various countries to take swift action and protective measures. But this should not stop us from maintaining a healthy lifestyle. In the end, it is up to us to keep ourselves fit and healthy.